Hello students, and welcome to this comprehensive solution of the CBSE Class 12 Biology Board Exam 2024. In this video, we'll go through the questions and will discuss the answers. If you are preparing for future boards, this video will guide you thoroughly. Let's begin. Question 1. In which of the following plants are both male and female flowers born on the same plant and the mode of pollination can be geitonogamy or xenogamy? A. Papaya. B. Date palm. C. Madge. D. Spinach. Answer. A. Papaya. Explanation. In papaya, both male and female flowers are present on the same plant, making it a monoecious plant. Geitonogamy, pollination within the same plant, or xenogamy, pollination between different plants, are modes of pollination in such species. Papaya has unisexual flowers, and both types of flowers can exist on the same plant, making it suitable for these forms of pollination. Question 2. Which of the following hormones is secreted by the human placenta that helps in the maintenance of pregnancy? A. Relaxin. B. Human chorionic gonadotropin. C. Oxytocin. D. Human placental lactogen. Answer. B. Human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG. Explanation. Human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, is a hormone secreted by the placenta after implantation in the early stages of pregnancy. This hormone helps in maintaining the corpus luteum, which secretes progesterone and estrogen, essential for the continuation of pregnancy. Relaxin helps in the softening of the cervix and oxytocin is involved in labor. But HCG is the key hormone for maintaining early pregnancy. Question 3. The periodic abstinence by a couple for family planning should be from A. Day 5 to 10 of menstrual cycle. B. Day 13 to 15 of menstrual cycle. C. Day 10 to 17 of menstrual cycle. D. Day 16 to 20 of menstrual cycle. Answer. C. Day 10 to 17 of menstrual cycle. Explanation. Periodic abstinence is a method of family planning based on avoiding intercourse during the fertile period when ovulation occurs. Ovulation usually occurs around the middle of the menstrual cycle, around day 14, so the fertile period typically spans from day 10 to 17. Avoiding intercourse during this time reduces the chance of conception. Question 4. Select the incorrect match from the following. Human karyotype, A. 45XX broad palm with characteristic palm crease. B. 44XXY overall feminine development. C. 1944XO sterile females as ovaries are rudimentary. D. 44XY normal male. Answer. B. 44XXY overall feminine development. Explanation. XXY represents Klinefelter syndrome, which results in a male phenotype with male reproductive organs but some feminine traits such as reduced testosterone levels. The statement that it causes overall feminine development is incorrect because individuals with Klinefelter syndrome are biologically male. Question 5. In which of the following conditions diseases is there a substantial increase in the activity of mast cells observed in the human body? A. Typhoid. B. Allergy. C. Ascariasis. D. AIDS. Answer. B. Allergy. Explanation. Mast cells are involved in allergic reactions. They release histamine and other chemicals when they encounter allergens, leading to symptoms like swelling, itching, and inflammation. In allergic conditions, the activity of mast cells is significantly increased. Lactobacillus that sets milk into curd is categorized as A. Cyanobacteria, B. Archaebacteria, C. Chemosynthetic bacteria, D. Heterotrophic bacteria. Answer. D. Heterotrophic bacteria. Explanation. Lactobacillus is a type of heterotrophic bacteria that ferments lactose, milk sugar, into lactic acid. This process lowers the pH of the milk, causing it to coagulate and form curd. Heterotrophic bacteria require organic compounds for their energy and carbon source. Question 7. Which one of the following transgenic animals is being used to test the safety of the polio vaccine? A. Sheep. B. Goat. C. Pig. D. Mice. Answer. D. Mice. Explanation. Mice are commonly used in genetic research and for testing the safety and efficacy of vaccines, including the polio vaccine. Mice are genetically modified to carry human genes, making them useful for such studies. Question 8. Restriction endonuclease hint to always cuts DNA molecules at a particular point by recognizing a specific sequence of A. 6 base pairs, B. 4 base pairs, C. 7 base pairs, D. 3 base pairs. Answer. A. 6 base pairs. Explanation. The restriction enzyme Hindi recognizes and cuts DNA at a specific sequence of 6 base pairs, 5 AAGCTT, 3. This is typical of many restriction enzymes, which cut at palindromic sequences of a specific length.